One of the most challenging things when learning Android development is learning how to deal with the activity and/or fragment lifecycle. At any time, your activity or fragment could be destroyed and recreated. This means that if you are storing any state or doing some long-running operations in an activity or fragment, your data may get lost, or worse, you could crash your app. There are many strategies to handle the issue. Some of them are very advanced, such as using Dagger 2 with scopes. Google recently released a set of tools aimed at making this easier. The one we are going to look at in this course is the view model. The view model from Android Architecture Components allows you to hold state for your activity or fragment and be able to retrieve that state even after configuration changes, such as an orientation change. This is the perfect place to perform long-running operations that may still be in process when a device is rotated, such as network requests. We will learn how to use the view model from Architecture Components, as well as how to make it injectable using Dagger 2, and this will be an advanced lesson. Next, we'll take a closer look at Android Architecture Components, and then look at how the view model actually works.